Hello, I'm Surajyasri Sharan, your 1560003. I'm here to explain my ninth program in web technology, and it's about PHP with connectivity or data. PHP using global variables and connectivity with database. Let me explain my program. It's about logging in. Actually, I've done a program based upon a login page. I'll be logging in and I'll be adding a number. If it is a member, it will be added to the existing table. I should be logging in. Otherwise, if it's not a member, I'll be creating my new sign up and I'll be registering within the table. So this table will be displayed in the using IDSQL. So this is about the program. Now let me explain the coding. First thing, index.php, I have given my PHP code. My PHP code is like I have given my host name as webtech.cornea.edu. My username is my register number, my password and my DB name 1 is also my register number. First thing, I have to connection. I should establish my connection. So connection, my SQL connect, host, username, password and DB name as it is the syntax of the thing. So I have given my thing and I have created a duplicate thing and I have given select star from users from username. Users is my table thing. My table name. So I have just given users and the result will be given. I have given for the result. I have created a thing called duplicate.underscore result. If I have given a statement, if MySQL number of rows, to get the number of rows is greater than or equal to 1, echo statement will be username is already available in the database. So that will be giving exit. Else if you have to get the data and you have to register. So this is the name, post uname, then I have used my post method, then password, then mail ID. I have given 3 rows and 3 columns, that is insert into users. Users is my table name and I am inserting email, password and the username. Values, I have given email, encrypt, password and name. So and my SQLi, I am passing the connection and the query here. My statement will be inserted successfully. Your email and your name is this. It will be displaying that. So this is about the PHP coding which I have done in the index PHP. Then login page. Login page is nothing but the first page as soon as I enter. So I have used my CSS form here for creating a username, for creating a normal text box and this and all. Username I've used text box and for password again I've used a text box and then here there is an option of resetting a password. So I've just connected my I've just given href tag and I've connected my other thing here, reset password in PHP. Then here I've used I've given all my thing. If it is not a member, where should I go register? I have given both the files here using href. Then after that PHP coding, here I come to PHP list. Again I have given my host name and I have connected my connection. I have given my connection. If is set post equal post submit, it will be giving my username and the password. And then if echo will be script language Windows, we did not complete all the required fields. If we are not giving a proper information, it will be displaying my giving me alert box. And similarly I've given exit. Now I have to get the values, name, post, using post uname, then password I've got. Similarly how I've done for the index page, I have given select star from users where username equal to this name. I am passing the result and I've created a result, my SQL. I am passing my connection and my query here. Count is greater than 0 while row value equal to my SQLi fetch query result. I have fetched the result here and header I have given my home page. Now if I go to my home page, it will be like giving me, after I log in, it will be giving me a statement called great, you have logged in successfully. Next thing will be my if now I am going to give a cookie, like for how long it should be logged in. So I have just given cookie. Post method I have used time for 1 hour. So it will be giving me, and I have given a statement, you will be signed in for 1 hour. So it will be giving me great, you have logged in successfully, you will be signed in for 1 hour. So this is about the home page. Next I will go to the register page. If I am not yet registered, it will be giving me what I should do. I will be giving username, email and password, then retype the password. And this is a normal scripting part where I will be creating my I'll be creating my text boxes and this. Then now I'll go to the PHP. Similarly, I have to again give my values for host and username, password, etc. And I have to give my connection and select username from users query 1, and the result is being passed again. This is the This is the register page. For resetting the password, it's nothing but I have to give my connection again, and my name equal to host union. This is the values which we'll be passing. N caps is for giving another password. Then this is the for changing the password. Again, I'll be sending the query, select star from username and email for this. Then I'll be giving as a result, I'll be passing it to the thing. So this is about, then I'll be giving a statement, password is successfully updated. Okay, now this is about the coding. Now let me show the output. Output is I've already given here. I've already done it in my webtech.karunyu.edu, and the file name is login.php. So here I've given Sylvia. Now I've already registered here. So 1 2 3 4 is my password. If I give login, it will be given, great, you have been logged in successfully. Sylvia will be signed in for 1 hour. And now if I'm not a member, I should give not a member. If I'll give a username, now I'll give Jessie, and if I give an email as jessie.js@gmail.com, and I'm going to give my password as 1 2 3 4 5, and it's asking me to retype my password 1 2 3 4 5. Now I will give sign up. Here now it's like inserted successfully, your email is and your username is. Now here we can find that already Sylvia is being present inside the table. Now I will log into that and show. Now it will be like Jessie, and my password is 1 2 3 4 5. Login. Yours has been logged in successfully. Now when you give not a member, now if you give not a member, you can find that Sylvia is already existing in the table. Now I created a Jessie file, and it is all now updated in this. Now let me go to the VMware to explain the thing with IDSQL. So I'll be showing my table here. Now I'll be opening my IDSQL. So here I'll be giving new, and my host name is web.karunyu.edu, and my username is, I register number UI153 003, and again my password is the same thing. So if I give open, it will be going to my table. Here this is my database name. If I click on database, my table name is users. If we go and we want the data which is available, first I already I've given Sylvia already here, and this is the data which again I inserted here. Again I've registered, that is Jessie. So these are the two data that are available inside the table. So this is all about my program. Thank you.